The next example related to the condition of maxima and minima. Find the points on the surface z square is equal to xy plus 1 nearest to the origin. Now, how do you interpret as nearest to the origin? Nearest to the origin means the distance from the origin is very, very less. As the point is nearer, the distance is very less. What I can say is clear.
Yes, sir.
So find the points on the surface z square is equal to xy plus 1 nearest to the origin. So origin ke points are 0, 0, 0. I will have to take a point on the surface. See, as all the three variables are involved x, y, and z, the coordinate will also be to be taken over here as x, y, and z. So x, y, z will be the point on the surface, and then distance formula is given by under root of what is it, x minus 0 the whole square. I have to take the distance from the origin of that particular point. So x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square plus z minus 0 the whole square, right? So this is the distance of the point xyz from the origin. Origin के coordinates means क्या होता है? Origin means 0, 0, 0. So going with the under root is very difficult. So what I consider that particular function as d square, which will remove the square root sign, and that will be our function to be maximized or minimized. Here, what is the expected answer? The function will be minimum or the maximum?
Minimum.
Why minimum?
Nearest to
Because it is as
origin.
Yes,
nearest.
because it is as nearest to the origin, and origin से nearest in a distance is minimum. So therefore, I will have to try to show that the distance is minimum. So I hope you understood that what is to be calculated here. Distance is to be calculated, and we have to show that distance is minimum from the origin. From the origin means consider any one of the point x, y, z. Take a distance from the origin. By the distance formula, everybody knows the formula is x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. Yeah, in general.
Yes, sir.
So in general, the formula is x minus a the whole square. So here it will be x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square. But it will be very difficult for us to go with the square root sign. So I take the square. So what does d square represent? D square represents the function f, which is x square plus y square plus z square. Now I told you that for calculating the maxima and minima of the variables, third variable should be converted to the second. So here I observe that the equation of the surface is itself getting connected. Z square is equal to xy plus 1. So what is my function becoming now? X square plus y square plus xy plus 1. Now here it is involving only two variables, that is x as well as y. So del f by del x will be the derivative. Del f by del y will be the derivative. As per the working rule, del f by del x to be equated to 0, del f by del y to be equated to 0. Find out the values of x as well as y. Then from that we calculate the value for z. Simultaneous equations or simplification is giving you the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Calculating the value for z square, z is equal to plus minus 1. Now see, if here it is a point, coordinate can be positive, coordinate can be negative. So taking square root will give you both the values. But agar dimensions hote rectangular parallelopipe ke, so will we be considering the negative sign?
No,
No,
sir.
because dimensions are always positive. So on time you have to decide depending on the given question. Distance is also never negative. Distance is also positive. But coordinate xyz is the coordinate. coordinate can be positive, coordinate can be negative. So therefore I will consider both the values of z as +1 as well as -1. If it would have been any of the dimension or the calculation of the volume or the area, it is never negative, it is always positive. So in that case, we avoid or ignore the negative number and consider only the positive side. Is this clear? So here the points are either 0, 0, 1 on or, and the points are 0, 0, -1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now putting those, calculate R, that is del 2f by del x square. Del 2f by del x square comes out to be 2. The derivative of this with respect to x keeping y constant. The derivative of this keeping x constant and mixed partial derivative. So RT minus S square is positive. R is also positive. This fulfills the condition of minima. And therefore we try to show that the distance is minimum. Therefore that particular point is nearest to the origin. And what is that point? That point is given by X, Y, Z. X is 0, Y is 0, Z is ±1. Finished? I hope it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. So I hope it is understood. Nearest to the origin will be interpreted as distance is minimum. Clear? So the point is 0, 0 ±1. Next, a space probe in the shape of ellipsoid. A space probe in the shape of ellipsoid 4x square plus y square plus 4z square equal to 16 enters the earth atmosphere and its surface begins to heat. After 1 hour, the temperature at the point xyz on the surface is this. Find hottest point on the probe surface. Find the hottest point on the probe surface. Hottest point on the probe surface means what we are actually trying to find?
Maximum point.
Yes, the maximum heating point. So here what the expected answer is, function should come out as
Maximum.
maximum. Condition for maxima is RT minus S square greater than 0, R less than 0. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So is it convertible to the, is the third variable convertible to the other two? We can easily try to find out the value for 4x square and substitute in place of this. So ellipsoid is given by, what is the equation for the ellipsoid? 4x square plus y square plus 4z square equal to 16. So 4x square becomes 16 minus y square minus 4z square. but temperature function T of xyz is 8x square plus 4yz minus 16z plus 600. So 4 2s are 8. So 2 times will be this. Now it is converted to how many variables? 2 variables, y as well as z. Clear? So total becomes minus 2y square minus 8z square plus 4z minus 16z plus 632. 4z minus 16z can be written as minus 12z. Sorry, it is 4yz or what?
Yes, sir. It's 4yz.
4yz. Yeah. 4yz. It is 4yz. So therefore it cannot be clubbed. Rest all is correct. Now differentiate. R will be what? Del 2 t by del y square. The second order derivative with respect to the first variable. First, before that, we calculate del t by del y, del t by del z. I hope the steps are clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it over? So if you equate them to 0, you will be getting y is equal to z. Z comes out to be minus 4 by 3. Putting y is equal to z over here. So that will be giving you z is equal to minus 4 by 3. Y becomes minus 4 by 3. X becomes plus minus 4 by 3. Why plus minus 4 by 3? Because again it is a point on the surface, right? Point means coordinate. Coordinate can be positive or negative. I hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kindly note down the steps properly. Again, if you will be going through it, it will be clear, right? Four x square will be this 64 by 9. X square will be 16 by 9. X is 4 by 3. But as it is point or a coordinate, it can be plus minus. बराबर है?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the hottest point on the surface given by? The hottest point on the surface is given by plus minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. अभी मैक्सिमम हॉटेस्ट निकालने के लिए मैक्सिमम चेक करना है. So what is R coming out as? Del 2 t by del y square, which is less than 0. S is this RT minus S square. Should be greater than 0. This must be T, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And S will be
Del 2 T upon del
del
y
Y
del z.
del Z. Yes. S will be del 2 T by del Y del Z. RT minus S square. That will be surely how find the hottest point maximum bola hai na. So it will be obviously maximum. That will come out as maximum only.
Yes, sir.
So R is negative. Only see in MCQ type of questions you won't be finding out whether maximum or minimum. Only answer expected is the point or the coordinate. Okay. Find the hottest point in a question में itself they are mentioning कि maximum निकलेगा. जो भी निकलेगा वो कैसा निकलेगा? Maximum ही निकलेगा. Right? So there is no question about it whether it is going to be maximum or minimum. It is going to be maximum because they have mentioned in the question itself that find the hottest point, means that is going to be the maximum point on the surface. Our job is to find out the point or the coordinate, and that is what we are doing it. Over.
Yes, sir.
All of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Completed up to this, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.